The future of commercial fleets is here. Meet the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the premium electric van for those who want a little luxury with their utility. Built on a new modular platform, the Sprinter offers a massive 113 kWh battery and up to 249 miles of range, perfect for longer routes. Choose from 2 motor options, and for the first time, rear-wheel drive in the US inside. It's all Mercedes quality materials, the MBUX infotainment system, and the Hey Mercedes voice assistant. Fleet managers get advanced digital tools for range management and preconditioning, maximizing efficiency. Cargo space matches the diesel Sprinter with a flat floor for easy loading. DC fast charging gets you from 10% to 80% in about 42 minutes. The Sprinter blends legendary utility with modern EV tech. It's smart, spacious, and built for productivity. For premium shuttle services, camper conversions, or upscale delivery fleets, it's the top choice. Mercedes proves electric vans can be both practical and refined. The e-Sprinter sets a new standard. Now for something completely different, the Canoo lifestyle vehicle. Canoo reimagines the van as a minimalist, multi-purpose loft on wheels. Its skateboard platform means a flat floor and a huge open interior in a compact footprint. Steer-by-wire tech eliminates the steering column, allowing for a unique forward cab design and future flexibility. Inside, it's a lounge U-shaped seating for 7 panoramic glass and a hyper-minimalist dash controlled by your own device. The lifestyle vehicle adapts to your needs: shuttle camper or adventure rig. Over 250 miles of range, 300 horsepower, and easy city maneuvering thanks to its tight turning radius. Canoo's business model is flexible to direct sales or subscription. It's less about the machine, more about the experiences it enables. The Canoo is a bold vision for personal mobility. It's a living room on